where every corner is a story. Every street looks straight out of a movie set, and every meal makes you go, ah. And why not? Japan is beautiful. It's breathtaking, and it's 35% cheaper than what it was 4 years ago. और जापान सिर्फ एक country नहीं है. It's an experience. One that values traditions, but also makes you feel like you are living in 2050. Japan is for all seasons. Japan ke winters, pure magic. But it is spring when Japan transforms into a pink dreamland. The cherry blossom season. You will literally feel like you are in a city made of cotton candy. Summer brings a hot humid climate and festivals. But it's autumn when the whole country turns into that scene from Mohabbatein. Honestly, for me, the best time to visit Japan is during spring, marked by the iconic cherry blossoms. But it's Japan. Yahan pe there is something for every season. But what is so special about Japan? Its culture, its people, and the way they live their life. आपको पता है, यहाँ cleanliness एक lifestyle है. Civic sense is deeply woven into their cultural essence. Remember, during the 2022 FIFA World Cup, despite a heartbreaking loss against Belgium, Japanese fans stayed behind to clean the entire stadium section where they sat. Imagine losing the match, yet taking time to collect trash that wasn't even theirs. ये उनकी identity है. The Japanese concept Ikigai means finding joy in work that helps others. That's how their co-functioning works. वहाँ पंक्चुअलिटी इतनी इंपॉर्टेंट है कि ट्रेन्स कुछ सेकंड्स लेट होने पर भी अपोलोजाइज करती है. रश आवर में भी लोग लाइन में खड़े रहते हैं. और जगहों की तो बात ही अलग है. बी इट टोक्यो, क्योटो और ओसाका. Tokyo is full of neon-drenched streets and electric energy. Want to embrace the spiritual vibes? Kyoto is your go-to place. और ओसाका की तो बात करने से ही भूख लग जाएगी. This is where you'll unleash your inner foodie. They have a saying there, "Kuidare," eat until you drop, and Hokkaido in winter. Just imagine sitting in an outdoor onsen hot spring, snowflakes melting just inches from your face, or Mount Fuji. Breathtaking to say the least. Hiroshima is on my list too. Not just for its moving history, but to witness how a place can transform pain into the most profound message of peace. कुछ experiences जिंदगी बदल देते हैं और कुछ जिंदगी का मतलब. This isn't just a trip you'd be planning. It's the adventure your soul has been waiting for. जाना है? तो चलो फिर प्लानिंग शुरू करें. जापान का वीजा इज ओनली फॉर ₹500 और प्रोसेस भी काफी सिंपल है. VFS के थ्रू करोगे तो सब चार्जेस मिला के 650 में वीजा हो जाएगा. I took the flight from Mumbai that cost me somewhere around ₹60,000 for a round trip. If you are luckier than me, you can get it for as low as 40,000 if you plan it well. Try booking on Wednesdays for lower prices. Picture yourself sliding open the door to a capsule hotel for just ₹1,000 to ₹4,000. These sci-fi sleeping pods wrap around you like a cocoon. Perfect for solo travelers. Hostels in Japan, think spotlessly clean spaces at ₹2,500 to ₹5,000. There are family-run guest houses that cost around ₹3,000 to ₹6,000. Best part, the owner treats you like a long-lost relative they never had. But the true treasure, the ryokan experience at a whopping price of ₹16,000 per night. Sliding doors, private gardens, wonderful dinner, and those onsen baths. Heaven. I stayed in a capsule hotel and it was one of the most intriguing experiences of my life. Japan's a taste bud party. This country invented a whole new taste called umami. No, It's not unagi. It's a flavor that makes everything taste better. Sushi here beats anything back home. Masters train years just for the rice. Ramen, it's like a soul in a bowl. Takoyaki, octopus balls flipped fast and fresh. Too yum. Okonomiyaki is pancake perfection. Yakitori, think kebabs but Japanese style. And if you're missing desi khana, then Tokyo's got butter chicken and paneer tikka at Downtown Bees. If you are a vegetarian in Japan, try out Anam Indian Restaurant or Veggie Herb Saga in Tokyo. Best thing is to look out for vegan options. Konbini एक convenience store है. It will be your best option for their umeboshi onigiri and edamame snacks. And dashi से बच के रहना. ये एक छुपा हुआ fish stock ingredient है जो vegetarian dishes में भी मिल सकता है. Google Translate ready रखो और watashi wa vegetarian desu बोलना सीख लो. Which is I am a vegetarian. खाने में budget options बहुत मिलेंगे. Mid-range restaurants will cost you around rupees 3,000, and if you are feeling fancy, then a luxury restaurant would cost you around rupees 12,000. Transportation in Japan, world class. Shinkansen bullet train takes you from Tokyo to Kyoto in around 2 hours. That's like Delhi to Mumbai in under 3 hours. It will cost you around rupees 6,000 to 12,000 one way. Smooth ride with gorgeous view of Mount Fuji. Here's a hack. Japan Rail Pass costs rupees 18,000 for 7 days and gives unlimited rides. You can also take city buses which are more convenient and budget friendly, costing you between rupees 100 and 250 per ride. अब सब कुछ तो कवर कर लिया, बस एक चीज रह गई, अपने आप को कवर करना. Travel insurance. I know people often skip this because उन्हें लगता है कि ये तो unnecessary expense है. But imagine missing a flight, losing your baggage or falling sick. One small mishap can ruin your entire trip. और किसने कहा travel insurance expensive है? A 7-day travel insurance plan for Japan costs rupees 269 on the ABCD app and covers everything we just mentioned. Imagine getting thousands worth of coverage for just rupees 269. और क्या चाहिए? So now let's do a final tally. You could expect to spend approximately rupees 1 lakh to rupees 1,25,000 per person. For a more comfortable trip with better accommodation and dining, budget for rupees 1,50,000 to 2 lakh. Now that you are dreaming of Japan, let's make it happen with the power of SIP. I used the SIP calculator available on the ABCD app to get a breakdown of how much I needed to invest. मैंने app open किया. I clicked on the mutual funds, scrolled and tapped on the find SIP amount for your goal and filled in my details. आप अपने budget के हिसाब से details fill करो. And that's it. The app will do the calculations for you. मेरे बजट के हिसाब से I started an SIP of 5k per month, but this depends on your own financial goals. Start today and before you know it, you'll be slurping ramen in Tokyo, taking selfies at Mount Fuji and experiencing all those Japanese moments we talked about. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it ahead and subscribe to ABCD of Money for more such content. Download the ABCD app now to simplify your finances.